All right, team, today we're going to work on Arcata Universal Dragon. So it's one of our fundamental forms for kids to start learning their blocks. And what we're going to do first round, Mr. Giampietro, you're going to watch him go through the entire form. Then second round, we're going to go step by step, and I'll give you some details how to improve each and every part so you know you've got that really nice, tightly fine-tuned.
Action Kata, Universal Dragon. Up, in, out, touch, down, chamber, palm, chamber. Up, in, out, touch, down, chamber, palm, chamber. Guard, jab, cross, front kick, jump front kick.
All right, now I'm going to lead the count so we can go step by step. We're going to go through both sides of the form, but we want to focus on the details for the first side because both sides' blocks are exactly the same. Action Kata.
Action Kata,
Universal Dragon.
Universal Dragon.
Side stance, left leg steps out. Kima jase. Key details. Not a 2-foot step. Bring it back. Boom. One hand, other hand, and my left leg steps all the way out. Casting off the weakness. There we go. He's got that back straight. His chamber should be actually like just slightly over his hips. Now, from there, up. For a high block, a key detail is we want to almost imagine there's a pencil. Hold on. Now, hold the pencil. It should be pointing directly at your head. There's a line for your forearm that you want for all of your blocks. He's going to hold this pencil for the next couple of blocks. In. Notice how that line, this is where the block, the strike is coming here. This is giving him the strongest support. Out. Touch. Notice how it stays at the shoulder. Both sides, you want to be at the same spot of the shoulder. So if it's either here or here. Down. You want to be extended over the leg. And by the way, you didn't hear it because I'm talking too loudly. However, he had a wonderful snap with his uniform. Good job, Mr. Giampietro. Chamber. Palm. Let go of the pen. Palm. You want your heel of the palm to hit first, and it's turned completely in. Chamber. Finish the other side on your count. In, out, touch, down, chamber, palm, chamber, guard. Right leg's in back. You want to make sure your jab, cross, there's like a snap and a hold to it. He has his jab, he holds for a second, cross, holds for a second. Then from there, he brings his hand back. He does his front kick. It snaps, it comes back, and then a jump kick. If you can snap the jump kick, you really got something special. That front kick is also really important to get that snap. However, I think it's just a lot more manageable for most of us. So, real fast, couple of details that I think are really important. Somebody catch that? Now, when we have our guard here, that front kick, I want to make sure my knee comes up for a full hip extended chamber. And it comes back. You should really hear the uniform snap. The other thing for the jump kick, my left leg does the kick. My right knee comes up. I switch my legs into the kick. Now, if you're going to hold that snap as that foot comes down, that's really tough, but it's got something really special for you. So, really important. Use that as a guide to give you some details and practice at home to really sharpen up your form. Nothing's better than using an instructor to really understand what you're doing. So, send us a video. Or, of course, when you're in class, it's a really great opportunity to be able to hone in on what the instructor's exact feedback for you is. Now, I recommend subscribe to see all of our curriculum as it's coming out. And, of course, if you have any questions or thoughts, you leave a comment down below so we can help you with, of course, getting to your next level. See you in the next one. Let's start. I need to sleep. This is outside block. Sorry. In. Be free! Come back. Be free! Be free! Let's start.